All right, time to take a look at the Vansuny 2.5-inch SATA solid-state hard drive. Okay, so there it is, and we can see that we are threaded on the sides as well as on the bottom, so if you need to mount that to an existing dock, you can. This is a standard SATA, so you can connect that to any standard port. Okay, picked it right up. And we will just make a new simple volume. So just keep hitting next, and there we go. So let's go ahead and see how it runs. Okay, so we're actually looking at some pretty respectable numbers. So here on the sequential 1 megabyte, 8 process, 1 thread, we got 457 megabytes per second read, 445 megabytes per second write. So it's almost writing as fast as it's reading, like it's within about 10 megabytes. That's actually very good. For the 1 process, 1 thread, it is pretty darn close even to that. So these are very good numbers. Now at the random 4K 32 process, 1 thread, we got 97.51 and we got 98.35 write. So again, this is a very fast hard drive for a SATA hard drive. And then for the worst case scenario, 1 process, 1 thread, we got 21.71 and 39.24. So again, it's actually reading about twice the speed that it's reading. So very good writing speeds. And even the 21 read, that's still a respectable speed because this is worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, 21 megabytes per second read, but then it goes up to about 457 megabytes per second read on the best case scenario. So fantastic hard drive. I would be very happy to run this.